Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What does it mean by planetology? So, let's get started. Dear friends, planetary science is the scientific study of planets, celestial bodies and planetary systems and the processes of their formation. It studies objects ranging in size from micrometeoroids to gas giants, aiming to determine their composition, dynamics, formation, interrelations and history. Do you know? What are the 7 planetary models? In classical antiquity, the 7 classical planets or 7 luminaries are the 7 moving astronomical objects in the sky visible to the naked eye: the Moon, Mercury, Venus, the Sun, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below, subscribe to the button, hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching my friends.